Jo from Cats.com, and how are you today? Oh my goodness, welcome to you creative designers, your BCDPers as well. So please remember, your brand it, colour it, design it, print it checklist is to the right of you on this channel as well. Okay, so please remember to download it. You're going to need it for these videos and to help you through your journey as a heart-led business owner, entrepreneur, solopreneur. Okay, so remember, please remember, this is for you to utilize when we come to branding. Now, branding is so important. Why is it important? Things have changed so much over the years. 80s and 90s, we were really looking at with the branding aspect of it was that it was your logo, it was your tagline or slogan, the colors you're using, okay, and what you did as a business. But nowadays it's changed, it's advanced much more. You need to know who your avatar is. Who is your client? Who are the people? Who's your audience that they're going to come in, buy your service or buy your product? You need to know who that is going to be, okay? So you need to start putting those kind of things together. But before we go and get involved in all of that, okay, we're going to be looking at your business name in the next video. What is your business name? What is in a name, okay? So for the time being, please remember to like the video, share the video. Also, please remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I shall see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.